Everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm so glad to have you here today. So today we're going to be making these adorable little succulent planters. So you're going to need 3 of these small little succulent planters from Dollar Tree, and then 3 of these prismed tea light candle holders, also found at Dollar Tree. These little pebbles that I decided to use white, you also will find those at the Dollar Tree. So all you're going to do is you're going to pull these succulents out of the styrofoam and clean up the stems the best you can at the top. You're going to cut these off, but don't cut too close because it will fall apart. The stem goes through the center of these, so you don't want the leaves to fall off. So we just quickly use a scissor or a wire cutter to cut through these. A cut through pretty simple. And what we're going to do is we're going to take hot glue and we're going to layer these pebbles in the little tea light holder to make it more look like a planter and cover up the spaces there. So I just used a tablespoon and I pat the little stones down inside, and then I just used the hot glue. It dries clear, so I just used that to layer it until I filled it all in to the top here, and you'll see the steps that I used. As you can see, I already have the black one finished in the back. That was my trial one to see what it looked like. And this is actually pretty simple. So the rocks get kind of hot, you know, they absorb the heat of the glue, so it actually takes a little bit longer for this glue to dry, which is nice because it gives you time to move the rocks around and reposition them where you want. Once the glue was dried all the way, I just simply tipped it over and knocked off any loose rocks that did not attach to the glue. So then I'm just going to take some more hot glue and attach it right here in the center and put my succulent in. I held it in place for a few minutes because, like I said, the glue is really hot here with the rocks and it takes a little bit longer to dry, so I just made sure I kept repositioning it until it was where I wanted it to be. And here's what they look like finished, you guys. It took me all of 10 minutes to make all 3 and $7 to make them all, which is a steal. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and thank you guys so much for watching.